So, if you're thinking about taking DJing or music as a career, be it any profession, doesn't have to be DJing. There, like I'm going to share with you some of the experience that I have gained over the period of time in my profession that has helped me to be successful in life. And like I've just categorized in a journal format, like these are three most important things which I feel are very important, be it in any profession you are in. It could be an MBA, it could be an petroleum engineer, it could be like, event manager, it could be any profession. The first and the foremost is the knowledge. Knowledge is the most important factor that can help you succeed in no matter whatever profession you are. And probably that is the reason why we have this exhibition going on right now. Because there's so many places out there from where you can gain knowledge. There are institutes, there are like universities. And if you have the knowledge, obviously you have the greatest tool in the world. Because you can use this knowledge anywhere you want. And obviously knowledge gives you information to analyze that information and to use it to your advantage, that helps you succeed where you want to be in the future. So knowledge is the greatest tool, and I believe that nobody should stop learning. The day you stop learning is the day you will stop succeeding. Because you got to have an open mind. 10, 15 years ago, when this profession was not even a profession, you will only have like four, five people doing like, there are some RJs, there were a couple of DJs like Sunny Sarid in Delhi and Ravi Sharma and Jazzy Joe. So obviously there were no formal way of educating people to take this as a profession, because none of them thought at that time this could actually be a profession, because only very, very passionate people will go ahead and take this risk, taking this as a profession. And most of them were the ones who actually flunked in education and couldn't do succeed. So those are the ones who took DJing as a profession. But I think it has changed over the period of time. This is like a full-blown profession now. The education and knowledge required is like similar to what you go in for engineering or MBA or any other courses. The technologies, the software that are coming for producing music, like if you think of Ableton Live, Logic, Cubase, Nuendo, Fruity Loops, they are full-blown softwares. Like you can't get like mastery over it in a day or so. It takes years of practice and years of hard work over them to understand how the technology works and how you can use it to your advantage, and how can you put the idea in your mind into practice so that the software produces what you want it to produce rather than just experimenting. So I think knowledge is very important, and over the last decade, so many schools, that is the reason why so many schools have emerged, music schools. Some of the top ones are like SAE, that is a school of audio engineering, then Point Blank in London, Dubspot in US,